Hi, Steve Haas here. I want to take you through the process of adding your websites to Web Detective so that you can track and monitor what's going on. So, under Web Detective's menu, go to Visitor Analytics, click Add a Website, put in the name of the domain, which in this case is going to be the Noble Marketer.com. Hit Save, and it gives you this piece of JavaScript right here. Copy that piece of JavaScript, go to the site, and what you want to do is you can do it one of two ways. If you're dealing with a WordPress site such as this, you can go into Appearance Editor and you can actually add it directly into the header or footer code. I don't recommend that because in many cases there's already a lot of JavaScript going on in your theme, and if you do it that way, there can be conflicts that could be caused either currently or in future updates of your theme. So rather than do that, I'd recommend that you get this plugin here. It's free. It's called Code Embed. I'll leave you the link below this video, but it's also a part of the Codex. So all you have to do is go up here, click Add New. Sorry, it's running a little slow because of recording the video. And as you can see, I've already got it there. And what this plugin allows you to do is two things. You can do it one of two ways. Well, let me get it. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Let me activate the plugin. Again, it's just because we're recording this that it's taking so stinking long. Okay. Now you go to your settings and you'll see where it says Embed Code. You have two choices with this plugin, which is the reason why I recommend it. Is you can either embed the code for the entire site, which means it will track every page in your WordPress site, or you can go to the individual pages themselves, which I'm going to track every page. But just to give you an idea, again, please pardon the slowness. Go to your pages or post, and you'll see that it's added. Let's just take a look at. Let's just go here, and you'll see that here it is. You can paste your code into the header to the footer of any particular page that you like and just hit the update button and it'll be there. That gives you more control and flexibility. So if you don't want to record stuff like your terms of service or any of that other jazz, then you just put it the Java code in the pages you want. Now, obviously, if you have an HTML site, no problem then. You're good to go because you just go to each page and you copy and paste that piece of script either in the footer or header of your HTML pages. Simple. Then once you have them saved, you can click Close. And then if you want to check out the stats on a particular site, you can just hit the details. It'll bring up total unique visitors, page views, average stay on page, average visit, bounce rate. You can even select the date range. You can check your traffic sources. You can see who your top referrers are. You can see that most of this is direct linking. If there was any search engine or social or other referrals, they would appear here. Shows you the visitor types, whether they're new or returning visitors. Shows you the content that they viewed, what's the most popular content. Shows you what countries they come from, including a map. The darker the green, the more visitors you're getting. So, you know, if you have other countries that it may be coming from, it may be fainter and so forth, as you see here. So as you can see, just most of the traffic for this site has been coming from the US. Shows you the browser that was used. Shows you the operating system. And then it shows you the devices. As you can see, that's a lot of information, a lot of detail that you have at your fingertips here. Again, this is to monitor your sites or sites that you manage. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.